We have customers that ask what to do when their assembly is stuck underneath the presser foot and they don't have an extra loop coming up from underneath. So why is it difficult to remove the fabric from underneath the presser foot? Well, it could be that the thread is just too large or stiff for possibly your sewing machine, or it could be that your tension assembly is not opening up the discs because of the pin inside. And let me show you how that could possibly be happening. There's a pin here that opens the tension discs when you raise the presser foot. You can see the discs are open here. If I lower the presser foot, the discs come together. That opening of the discs is what allows the thread to pass through the tension assembly. If this tension assembly is too far away from the machine housing, when you lift the presser foot and the pin is pushed, it may not separate the discs. You also may be setting your tension too high and your tension discs can't separate properly. So those are the reasons why, but let's talk about how you can easily pull the fabric from underneath the presser foot, because that's what this video is about. So I want to remove my fabric. The first thing I want to do is I want the take-up arm to be all the way at the top. So I'm going to rotate the balance wheel towards me until that take-up arm is all the way to the top without traveling down, right there. Then I'm going to raise the presser foot with the lever at the top. That releases the tension discs, as you can see here, so the thread should pull out of it pretty easily, and it does. Now my fabric will remove pretty easily, obviously. We're going to mimic what may be happening if you're using a machine that can't handle a heavy thread, or if your tension assembly is not working appropriately, by wrapping it around the tension assembly up here several times. You would never want to wrap your thread around this when you're sewing. This is just for demonstration purposes. And now, when I go to pull the fabric out, it doesn't want to pull out. It's very hard to pull out. And so how you do this, if your machine is acting like this, and this works with any sewing machine, is you come over to the balance wheel and you move the balance wheel back about a quarter turn, and you can see the take-up arm went backwards, and you pull on your fabric assembly at the same time, and then you come forward and the take-up arm goes up. And you do this again, and every time that you do it over, it relieves the tension on the thread so that it can pass through the tension assembly. So the take-up arm is actually providing the leverage or the power to pull the thread through the tension plates or discs as you rock the balance wheel back and forth. And now you can cut your threads and you have a long tail. If everything is working appropriately and the tension discs are coming apart and it's still difficult to pull a fabric assembly apart, know this: a lot of professionals are in the habit of always rocking the balance wheel like this every time they pull a fabric assembly out, because it always is easy. So you can do it too.
Want to see more? Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.